Hello, bird whisperers. Welcome back to our channel, Birds Whispers. Today we have another exciting update to share with you all. Our beloved Budgie pair have embarked on a new chapter in their lives, and with them in our lives too. They have started laying eggs. See how mom and dad are excited? Dad is so curious, asking mom, has it come yet? But she's covering it yet. She's not gonna let him that easy. It's a magical journey, and we are here to witness and share the joy with all of you. But before we delve into the nest, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a chirp from our feathered friends. There's the mom again. So as you can see, our lovely female budgie has chosen the cozy nesting pot. It's a safe haven. She has been spending a lot of time in there, preparing the perfect environment for her soon-to-arrive eggs. While Dad has been very excited waiting outside, sometimes going in and out, but mostly taking care of the food requirements of the beloved mom, his beloved life partner. Dad has been super excited, flying around with boundless excitement. It's heartwarming to see his enthusiasm and support for his mate during this special time of their life. The dad seems to be on cloud 9, literally, as he soars around the cage, perhaps scouting for the best treats or keeping an eye out for any potential threats. It's fascinating to observe how male budgies actively participate in the process. Right from when the eggs arrive, they start feeding their partner, taking care of her food needs, looking after the threats, and being with her all the time, making sure she has everything she needs. They also ensure a watchful eye on the nest. See. So now let's take a closer look inside the nesting pot without disturbing our feathered parents to be. It's essential to give them the privacy they need during this crucial period of their life. There we go. It has started. Dad is super excited. And we have more. Isn't that exciting? So as we wrap up today's video, we'll be closely monitoring both mom and dad. So be sure to stay tuned for updates on the eggs and the adorable hatchlings. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy bird watching.